Hello friends, welcome to this course on NX. In this lecture, we will continue with extrude command. So we are going to explore some more options. So I go to this extrude. Into this extrude, we can see some options related to the limits. So in this limits, we can see symmetric, until next, until selected, until extended, through all, etc. So we are going to learn in depth about these options. Now to understand about these commands, first of all, I will have to open up a file. So I click cancel, go to your project file. So click on this open from here. Now you have to go to the project files, go to the folder of extrude. Here you will find the option of through all. Just select this file and click on open. Now inside this file, I have created two geometries. We have extrude 1 and extrude 2, and we have one more sketch that is of a circle. So first of all, you might be thinking how this sketch has been created at an offset value. You can see there is a gap between these two extrude. This type of extrude is created by the help of creating the datum planes. Later in the course, we will learn how to create datum planes and how to create this type of 3D geometries. Okay, so just for the now, we will learn about only extrude. So go to the extrude tool, click on this extrude, and here first of all we will have to select a sketch. Now we have already created a sketch of circle, so we don't need to create it again. We just have to select it. So click on this circle, and now this extrude is going in the upward direction. So click on this reverse direction to reverse it. So let's say in the first option, I'm selecting any value of this limit. So this value, let's say it is 25, and click OK. In this case, we can see the extrude is created like this. So it is crossing this existing object. Now, once again, I go to this extrude, double click on this, and here in the end condition, I select until next. Click on this until next and click OK. So let's see what happens. This is our sketch highlighted in the blue color. We have extruded this. Now, so when I select the until next option, it is going to create the extrude up to the first reference. So the first reference or any first object between this is this top surface. So it has created the extrude up to this top surface. Similarly, let's say I double click on this extrude, and this time I will select through all. So when I select this through all, it will pass through all the objects. So in this through all, we can see this time the extrude has been created until the last object. So this is the last face of this object. So in the through all, it will pass through all the objects. I double click on this extrude, and this time I will select until selected. Until selected means we can select any reference by ourselves. And let's say I want to create this extrude up to this top surface. So I select until selected. So select this face. Now we can see the extrude is up to this face. In the boolean we can select unite, subtract, etc. according to our requirement, and I click OK. So in this way we can create extrude up to different references.